Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to react to a comment on a pin using the Pinterest app on your PC with the new update. It's a simple way to engage more with the Pinterest community and show your appreciation for helpful or loving comments. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access. Once you're on the home page, look through your feed or use the search bar to find the pin that you want to react to. When you find it, click on the pin to open it up fully. This will bring up the pin with all its details and comments. Next, scroll down to the comments section below the pin. You'll see all the comments left by other Pinterest users. Take a moment to read through and find the one you want to react to. Now comes the fun part. Next to each comment, you'll see reaction options like love or helpful. Simply click on the love button if you really like the comment or click helpful if you find the comment useful. By clicking either of these buttons, you're not only expressing your feelings, but also supporting the community by highlighting valuable comments. It's a quick and meaningful way to interact without needing to write a full reply. This feature encourages engagement and creates a friendlier space on Pinterest. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can easily react to comments on any pin using your PC. It's a great way to connect with others, show appreciation, and enjoy a richer Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching.